Hi, my name is Suman and I'm the leader of this group. Today, I'll demonstrate the bank management system, which is our topic for the final project of our computer programming. This bank management system is an efficient and user-friendly application designed to streamline banking operations while ensuring security and seamless account management for both administrators and customers. So now, let's walk through the core functionalities of our system and let's see how they work in the C++ program. Upon executing this program, the user is greeted with the main menu that presents these three options, which is the admin login option, the customer login option, and the exit option. So I'll demonstrate one by one. For the admin login, you have to choose one and you have to put the password. This is the password, and it will show the functionalities for the admin menu. So I'll back to the main menu. So we are already at the main menu again. This is the main menu. So if you want to go to the customer menu, just press 2 and enter. So it will show the menu for customers choice. So that allows customers to perform banking operations. So I'll go back to the main menu again. So we are back at the main menu. So if you want to terminate the program, just press 3 and it will ask you whether confirm or not. If confirm, press Y and enter. Then it will terminate the program successfully. So the C++ program is structured into two primary classes, which is bank account class. So I'll explain this first. This class stores account details such as account number, holder name, type, the account type, the PIN for accounts, and the account balance. It provides method to display, serialize, and deserialize accounts information. So we'll look at the next class, which is the bank management system class. This class is playing a very important role in our program because this handles the main file operations for the account persistent. This also implements the admin and customer functionalities, controls the secure account transaction, then ensuring proper authentication and validation for some security purposes, and customer satisfaction. So all of our account information is stored in files, ensuring that data is not lost when the system is restarted. So the primary objective of the bank management system is to provide secure, efficient, and user-friendly banking solution for both administrators and customers. So what I have contributed to the project. So I've done the first of all, I have developed some of the functions on the C++ program, and I also have done the introduction and solo code in the report, and I helped my groupmate to do the flowchart. And as a group leader, I checked and formatted the report properly. So this project helped me deepen my understanding of the C++ concepts and the file handling and many more. I also improved my problem solving skills by addressing the errors, and I enhanced the code efficiency as well. So the time I spent to develop my part only approximately about 2 days, and each day I use about 4 hours, and actually it consumes a lot of time to develop only my part. So one of the biggest challenge I face is the debugging, the error debugging. So I overcame this by researching a lot in the internet. Overall, this project was a very valuable learning experience for me. That's all from me. Thank you. Now I'll pass the floor to Azim. He will continue to the next part.
Hi, my name is Azim and I will show you the admin functionality. Alright, so first, when we first time logging in, I need to set my password. So I will set the password is 1234. So as you can see, the password is set successfully. So I need to key in again my password and it will direct me to the admin menu. In the admin menu, I have six options which is create, view, search, edit, and also delete. So first, I will create an account for the customer. The account number is automatically created by the system, which is 100, and I need to put the account holder name. and I need to choose the account type. As you can see, the account has been created successfully. So now let's create another account. Now let's view all accounts that we have been created. Let's choose the second option. As you can see, when we choose the second option, I have two options to sort it by the account number or account holder name. Now I will sort it by account number. Now list all of the account have been showed by the system, which is the account number 100 and also account number 101. Next, I will show you the third option, which is the search an account. Here, I need to put an account number to search. I will search the account number that the account holder name, which is Azim. As you can see, the account number 100 has been showed and the details has been showed together. Next, we have the edit an account. I can edit my account by three options, which is account number, account holder name, and also account type. I will edit it by account number first. I need to put new account number, which is I will put here 105. Alright. Next, I will edit it by account holder name. My new name is Sky. Last but not least is by account type. Now let's view our edited account. As you can see here, the account number has been changed to 105 and there is no account number 100. The account holder name also has been changed and with the account type, which is the current. Last but not least, let's delete an account. I will delete the account number with 105. As you can see here, there is no account number 105. The account has been deleted successfully. So first, what have I contributed to the project? I had completed the project scope and provided the output screenshot with an example. I also attended all this discussion and finished my presentation part. Next, I learned how to build simple programs by applying looping, function, classes, and more. I spent 2 whole weeks finishing my part of the project as I worked and learned at the same time. One obstacle that I faced during project development was communication, since everyone did not stay at the same place, so the discussion was limited to online. Apart from that, when it comes to handling large datasets, the number of accounts grows, efficiently managing and retrieving data can become challenging.
Hello, I am Hussain. I will demonstrate how a customer set up his bank account, withdraw and deposit money by using our program. This is the code for the customer to set up his account. So we create three variables called the new account number, new PIN, and the initial deposit. So inside this function, the while loop is used for asking the user to enter the new account number. And the if condition is will check if the account number is valid or not. Until the user enters the valid number, it will ask the user to enter it again. And inside this for loop, an account number entered by the user is checked with the if conditions whether it is existed or not. If it is existed, the user is asked to enter the PIN, which is four-digit PIN, and the initial deposit for the account. So for that, a change PIN function is called, and the first deposit function is called. So both these functions will get the PIN number and the initial deposit from the user. This is the change PIN function. Inside these functions, a while loop is used to check whether the user entered the valid number, which means whether it is within the given range. If the user not entering the PIN number within this range, he will be prompted to enter it again. After entering the four-digit PIN, the user is asked to enter the initial deposit. Here is the first deposit function, same like the PIN function. A while loop is used to get the customer's initial deposit. Enters other than numeric values, the output will be displayed as invalid input. And another thing, initial deposit have to be greater than 20 and less than 10,000. So which means the user have to enter within this range. Once the customer entered the valid initial deposit, the while loop will break and the initial deposit will be returned. Let me show how it works by running the program. Here you can see I have already created an account as an admin. Let me show how a customer set up his account. Now let's switch to the customer. The choice for the setup account is 2 and the system is asking for the account number which is already created by the admin. I'm going to use it account number 107. Then the system is asking for the PIN number, which is within this range. So just give 1000 PIN number. Then it asks for the initial deposit. Here you can see the account has been successfully set up by the customer. This is how a customer set up his account. This is the deposit function to the customer to deposit their money. Inside this function, a while loop is used to get the account number from the user. So after the customer enter their account number, it is validated whether the account number is existed or not using the if condition. This for loop is used to check whether the given account number by the customer is valid or not. If it is valid, then the customer is asked to enter the deposit amount. If the deposit amount is invalid, then the system will ask the customer to enter it again. Once the customer enters the validated deposit number, then the system will ask for the verification PIN. The PIN number is verified successfully. So this if conditions will check the PIN number. If the verification is successful, the new balance will get updated to the file, and the new updated balance will be displayed to the customer. So this is how the deposit function works. This is the withdraw function for the customer to withdraw their money from their account. So inside these functions, a while loop is used to get the account number from the user, and the account number is validated whether it is existed or not. If the account number is validated, inside this for loop, a while loop asks for the user to enter their amount to withdraw. So the if statement here, we check for the withdraw amount is valid or not with a balance amount. If it is valid, the user is asked for the PIN verifications. Once the PIN verification is successful, the withdraw amount is deducted from the balance, and the new balance is updated to the file. So after all this, the updated balance and the withdraw amount will be displayed to the customer. So this is how the withdraw function works. Let me show how the withdraw and the deposit works for the customer. The choice for the deposit is 4. So it asks for the account number to deposit. So I just give the already created account number. Then it asks for the PIN number to verify. So here you can see the deposit is successful, has been added to your account, and the updated new balance. Now let's do the withdraw. So it is asking for the account number to withdraw, and the amount, and the PIN. So the withdrawal is successful, and the updated balance is here. So this is how the withdrawal and the deposit work. And that's all my part. Thank you. From this subject, I learned how to analyze the problem and find a solution to it. My contributions for this project are problem statement, objectives, use case diagram, and interface design. I took 3 days to complete all this. I faced difficulty in interface design and refining problem statements because I have to analyze the entire code. Overall, this project helped me to improve my problem solving, design, and presentation skills.
Hi, my name is Malan Jarrell. So basically for this project, I contributed mostly in the file report. Most specifically, I helped out in doing the flowcharts and the pseudocodes. So basically, in this subject, I learned how to properly understand the codes. There's some difficult codes where I asked my group mates to explain it to me. I understand it properly, and I learned how to do properly flowcharts and pseudocodes. It took me several days for me to complete the flowcharts and the pseudocodes because it was quite tough. And the obstacles are I didn't understand some part of the codes, some of the functions. It was hard for me to understand. So I asked my group mates, how does this work? How does that work? And they properly explained it to me, and they clearly explained it to me, and they made me understand it. So that helped in doing the flowcharts and the pseudocodes. My name is Melvin, so I'll be showing you all how does the transfer work in our system. So basically, I've already created 2 accounts, one account of mine and another account of my friend. So yeah, so if I want to transfer, hold on, let me click 3. So now I will enter the account number which I want to transfer from. This will be my account. So my account number is 100. So now I have to enter the account number which I want to transfer into. So the account number of my friend is 101. So I'll enter that. So now I'll want to specify the amount of money I want to transfer from mine to my friends. So I'm going to say 500 ringgit. And I'll enter my PIN number, which is 1001. So as you can see, it has been successful, and the balance has been deducted from my account. So yeah, so next I'll be showing you all how to edit the account. So let's say I want to edit my PIN number of my account, so I will go to the edit option, the account number to edit. So I'll enter my account number, which is 100, and then I'll enter my current PIN number, which is 1001. So it gives you three options. So it's either you can edit the account holder name, account type, and the PIN number. So I'll be editing my PIN number. So I'll select 3, and I'll enter my new account number. So it'll be 1003. So this is what I want to change into. And I'll yes, and so it has changed my account number to the new account number.
Hello, my name is Gohan and I'm going to present about our project's header ending. Now for the first one is I'm going to present about our header ending in verifying a PIN. So I'm going to show you again. This is the account number, account holder name, this is the account type, this is the PIN number, and this is the balance. For example, I'm going to deposit 200 ringgit. I'm going to enter account number first to the account number 100, and we're going to deposit 200 ringgit. And now we're going to verify the PIN. So what if we input a PIN that outside of the range of 1000 and 9999? For example, I put a value like this, and then something lesser than that, and something not even right format. So it will loop again until you put the right format. But what if you put the right format and also the PIN number that's not the same? For example, the PIN number is 1234, but I'm going to put a PIN number that's not that. For example, 8000. And it will show you that you have attempt remaining 2. The max is 3. First attempt is wrong. Again, I'll get the second attempt. And then this is the third attempt. And it will like cuts you off and go back to the main menu. Now what happens if you choose the right one? For example, 200. And then the right one is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now your account balance is 6,800. You just added 200. Now it updates it. Now the next one is account number. What if we put in wrong account number? So for example, we want to view our account, and then we use a wrong account number. For example, we put like 10,000 or like 1. It shows that it should be within the range of 100 and 999. But what if you also put like random things in there? It still will loop again. So we need to put the right format. But I'm going to put the wrong one as well. For example, 102. Now it shows that account number 102 does not exist. Please check and try again. That's how the error handling works. Now we make it correct. We're going to show for Messi's account, which is 101. And the correct PIN. This will show up the account number, account holder name, which is Messi, and account type, which is current, and also the balance is 5,000. Okay, that's it for the error handling for this project. Thank you. Okay, what are my contributions to the project? First is that I developed the code for the system, and I formatted the report for more clarity and also according to the guidelines. And one more thing is that I helped my friend in creating a flowchart as he has very less knowledge about it. And the next one is what I've learned from the subject. And I gained a lot of experience in C++ programming, especially in problem solving skills. And also, I also understood how different project components work together, like the coding, the documentation, and diagrams, pseudocode, and stuff. And the next one is how much time I spent for the developing the code. I spent around 2 days, which is like 4 hours for each day. And the next thing is what challenges I faced. Of course, the first one is debugging, which is a lot of time consuming, and also helping my friend in doing the flowchart, which takes a lot of time. Thank you. That's it.